In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the new contacts campaign metrics. We'll be working inside HubSpot, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the new contacts numbers for any of your campaigns, and how to view them over time in a way that's easy to understand. First, start by logging into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see several different sections for things like sales, service, and marketing. What you want to find is the marketing section. When you spot the marketing icon, click on it, and then select campaigns from the options that appear. This will take you to your campaign list. On this page, you'll see all the campaigns that have been created in your account. Take a moment to locate the specific campaign where you want to review the new contacts metrics. You might recognize it by its name, the date it was created, or other familiar details. Once you've identified the right one, click directly on that campaign to open it. When the campaign opens, HubSpot will show you different tabs of information. To view your metrics, make sure you're on the Performance tab. This is where HubSpot gathers all the key data about how your campaign is doing. Now, scroll down the Performance page until you see a metrics card that has a drop-down field in the top left corner. By default, this dropdown is usually set to Influenced Contacts. This view shows you how many contacts your campaign has influenced overall. But right now, we're interested in new contacts specifically. Click on that dropdown where it says Influenced Contacts. A small menu will appear with different options. From that list, choose New Contacts. As soon as you select it, the chart or graph on that card will update to show metrics specifically for new contacts generated by this campaign. To refine how you see that data over time, look at the top right of the same card. You'll find a setting that lets you choose the frequency of the data display, typically either daily or monthly. Select the option that best fits the level of detail you need. Daily will show finer grained trends, while monthly will give you a broader overview. And that's all you need to do. By following these steps, you can quickly access and visualize the new contacts metrics for any campaign inside HubSpot, helping you understand exactly how well your marketing efforts are performing.